Pre-industrial revolution, monarchs often held absolute power, so they expected their people to be loyal to them rather than their nation. But that began to change. Revolutionaries overthrew the monarch in 1792 and placed power in the hands of France's citizens. They clearly defined the rights of citizens and drew up constitutions that expressed their new ruling principles. Nationalism was the most powerful of all the isms. France and Great Britain's strong nation-states inspired jealousy throughout the rest of Europe. Other nations wanted to unify. Nationalist groups formed secret societies such as the Italian Carbonari. These societies distributed propaganda leaflets and plotted rebellions. Although most of these revolutionaries failed, they continued to spread nationalism ideas and also gave reformers a more realistic appreciation of what it would take to achieve their goals. The first roots of nationalism are probably to be found in the ancient Hebrews. The ancient Greeks also felt superior to all other peoples. These feelings of cultural superiority, which are similar to nationalism, gave way to much more universal identifications under the Roman Empire and with the Christian Church. In areas such as Italy, recurring invasions led such thinkers as Niccolò Machiavelli to advocate national political federation. The religious wars of the Reformation set nation against nation. Through the strongest loyalty, continued to adhere to the sovereign. The growth of the middle class and their desire for political power were closely connected with the emergence of nationalism. Johann Gottlieb Fichte wrote works of political philosophy and is considered one of the fathers of German nationalism. One of his best writings, addressed to the German nation, was considered a founding document of German nationalism. The book argued that France now represented a despotism and that it was therefore up to the German nation to be the champion of liberty. He also wrote The Sorrow of Young Werther and The Strang and Durm. Strang and Durm is a play-off of a German phrase which is translated as storm and stress. It was the name of a German literature movement in which extreme expressions of emotions were prized, which contributed to the nationalism movement.